Why storage space matters on your phone.
Running low on storage can slow down your phone and prevent app updates or new downloads. Photos, videos, and unused files pile up over time, making it harder for your device to work efficiently. Managing space is not just about freeing up memory, it also helps your phone run smoother and last longer.
What are smart cleaner apps?
Smart Cleaner apps are tools designed to detect and remove unnecessary files from your phone. They scan for cache files, temporary data, duplicate photos, and old downloads. Some apps also suggest unused apps that can be safely deleted. By identifying clutter, these apps make the process of cleaning your phone quick, easy, and safe.
Choosing a trusted cleaner app.
Look for cleaner apps with high ratings, transparent privacy policies, and regular updates. Popular options include CCleaner, Files by Google, and Norton Clean. Always download apps from your device's official app store and read user reviews to ensure security. Grant only necessary permissions to keep your personal data safe.
Step-by-step guide, freeing up space.
Open your chosen cleaner app and follow the prompts to scan your phone. Review the list of junk files, cached data, duplicate images, and unused apps it finds. Select the items you want to remove, then confirm your choices. Double-check before deleting any large files or photos you want to keep. Finally, let the app clean your storage.
Tips for maintaining a clutter-free phone.
Schedule regular cleanups using your Smart Cleaner app. Once a month is a good rule of thumb. Transfer important photos and videos to cloud storage or a computer to save space. Uninstall apps you no longer use. Making these steps a routine helps keep your phone healthy and running efficiently every day.